Well, here she is. 2 extra counterweights. Got the chain travel chain put together. I put the boom together by myself. One of the other drivers, he helped me get the pins lined up here, and then the gantry cables, because when you rig it down, you unhook those pins right there. I can't even see because of the sun. Then you hook them to these eyes to raise and lower the stub, and then yeah, she's supporting herself right now. Just pulled the cable through, the hoist cable. I got it strong. All I got to do is have them bring the bucket back here and pull out the drag cable and get everything hooked up for the bucket. But yeah, should be ready to go here. Dang, I'm bushed. But yeah, hold the chains, travel chains. Hopefully we won't have another problem with those for a while. A heck of a lot of slack in them, but you gotta have it. This is also Cummins. But yeah. So as I take it, it's a super. If you look at unless somebody changed the tag in here, I guess that's what Series 3 means. I'm not sure. These dang wasps. But so when we look at the table, then table 3, and column number 3. So column number 3, 60 foot of boom. So I'm guessing that's what that is. The load, depending on where's the angle. So yeah, 40 degrees. I dig it like 42, 45. So I don't know if you can see that. So right around like 8,000 pounds on a pull. That's including the bucket. So, but yeah. Ouch! Running my head right into that. Dang thing just jumped right out in front of me. But yeah, got everything lubed up and everything's working really good. Can't really complain in that regard. But yeah, got the pressure set. Seems to be working everything. Kind of tagged them with a paint pen so I don't get confused which one's what. Because the Manitowoc's only got 3 controls. But I thought this was pretty neat about how you could pull this, and then when you push the brake, it will set them. So that's your hoist and your drag. So drag, hoist, brake, the house lock. That was kind of sticky when trying to get it set and unset, but she just needed a little grease. That's all. So, oh yeah, what a day. 80, what is it, 82? Overcast. Thought we were gonna get some thunderstorms. Who knows? But she's here, ready to go.